is 8:44 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The observations for the local area at 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time on Wednesday, May 21st. At Harry Reid Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 79 degrees, with dew point 27, and the relative humidity 14%. The wind was north at 3 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.96 inches and rising. Other observations around the valley. It was sunny. It was 79 at the North Las Vegas Airport and 78 at Nellis Air Force Base. Elsewhere around the state, it was sunny. It was 74 at the Mercury Desert Rock Airport and 54 at Reno. Reports in Southern California. It was sunny. It was 73 at Barstow Daggett and 81 at Needles. The program on NOAA weather radio station WXL36 will be interrupted today between 11 and 12 noon Pacific time to conduct a routine test of the National Weather Service Warning Alarm System. This will be a test of both the Emergency Alert System tones and the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. Repeating, the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System will be conducted today between 11 and 12 noon Pacific time.